Hi all, today in this video I will be talking about behavior modification for poor obedience children. Behavior modification means alteration of behavioral patterns. Whenever we want to change any kind of undesirable behavior into desirable behavior, then this process is called as behavior modification. As we all know that every behavior has some kind of reward. That means it is based on some kind of reinforcement. So when and why it is required of behavior modification? Whenever our children or anyone, any adult for that matter, if they are showing any wrong behavior then which is not socially appropriate, then there is a requirement of behavior modification. Usually here, whenever we hear from the parents that their children are not obedient, they are not listening to their parents, they are giving back answers, or they are showing lot of tantrums, they are not doing academic work. When we analyze this behavior, why this behavior is happening, maybe because of the wrong parenting style, maybe because of attention seeking behavior, maybe to escape from the task the child must be showing this kind of behavior, then definitely behavior modification is required. Many a times it so happens that children may be very humble and well behaved at home, but in the school they may show a lot of behavioral tantrums. Then also teachers must be undergoing lot of issues with these kind of children. We all know that like every parent wants their children to be well behaved, obedient, but still many a times what happens, our children, they show these kind of undesirable behavior. So whenever we want to modify this kind of behavior, like we should remember one thing, that behavior cannot be changed in one day or two. It is a process. It may take few days or few weeks or few months also. But all the parents should remember, whenever we undergo this kind of process, that it is going to take few days. And also we should understand, first of all, why this behavior is happening. If it is because of the wrong parenting style, try to change your parenting style. If it is because of the child tantrums like attention seeking behavior or any kind of escaping behavior, then we have to look for some behavior modification strategies. We have to apply some techniques here. So here I'm not using any terms of behavior modification here, but I would like to give few tips for the behavior modification. Whenever we think of behavior modification, first of all, as a parents or as a teachers, we should be positive, and then we should be consistent, because we as a human beings, we have the nature or we have the tendency to looking into others' negative aspects more. So whenever we want to change any child's wrong behavior into positive behavior, first try to observe his positive behavior, because whenever my child is behaving nicely, start rewarding those kind of behavior. And whenever my child is not behaving appropriately, then definitely you should think of some consequences like taking away gadget, or no screen time, or taking away their favorite food or something like that. In the positive reinforcement, you can reward your child with a social prize, or if your children are very small, you can use any small gifts kind of things, or some stickers, some smiley stickers, or stars, these kind of things you can use. For the elder kids, you can use social prize actually would do, but you can also use token economy for the bigger children. And one thing you remember, parents here, like whenever you are doing any kind of behavior modification, you have to be firm. So being firm here means it's not that you can hit your child or you can scream at your child. Being firm means like being assertive, like maintaining like consistently doing the behavior modification. Like today I have set some rules for behavior modification. Like whenever my child is behaving very good, like I am rewarding my child. Whenever my child is not listening to me or showing any inappropriate behavior, I am going to give some consequences. So for example, here I have some time today, like 1 or 2 days I will follow nicely. I will follow a whole timetable. Third day I don't have time. There are guests at my place and I am sick and I am too busy. So I won't be able to do behavior modification today. As our children are very smart, they observe each and everything. Whenever you are busy and you are unable to observe children's inappropriate behavior, and whenever you are unable to give them any kind of consequences, they understand your situation, they understand your emotion, feeling, everything, and next time they look for this kind of situation. So whenever you are busy or whenever there are guests at your place, they may show inappropriate behavior to escape from their task or to get something. So whenever my child is showing any kind of attention seeking behavior, we should learn to ignore our child. Ignoring in the sense like no reward or no consequence, and also not giving any kind of attention to their behavior, ignoring for some time. For example, my child is crying for a longer time, we should ignore till my child keeps quiet, and after that only we can attend our child's need. And then remember, behavior modification, as I already told you, that cannot happen in a day or two. It may take few days or few weeks. So in the process of behavior modification, we all have to be positive, we all have to be patient, and also we all have to firm and consistent. Definitely after few days we all will see some change in our children's behavior. Hope this video will help you. Thank you.